Hi, everybody. This is Matt Kalunki, and I'm going to show you how we create Facebook leads ads. First off, we're going to go into campaigns, and I've already logged in, and I'm going to choose create, and I'm going to choose leads. Imagine that for leads. For week 5, we just needed to come in and choose a manual leads campaign and continue. And then from here, we can create a lead campaign. And this, I'm going to create a campaign for a deck and patio build. I've already got some images and I've got some text, and I go through how I work with it. Anyway, at this point, I'm going to call this my missed call text back, which I refer to as Zing call text back. And I'm going to describe the business type I'm going to be using here in this lead. And I'm going to choose next. I'm going to use the instant form that I've already set up, and I'm going to skip past some of these goals because that's not the point of what we're doing here right now. And then we're going to switch to original audience, and then it says absolutely yes, we want to use the original audience. And we're in here, we can go ahead and go to a lead set that is going to be for male, and it's going to be fairly similar to my construction leads. I'm going to rename it and redo the demographics on with decking, just deck lead. And it's already got some information pre-populated. To go down here to my audiences, and I'm going to use a saved audience. So once I've selected the saved audience, it brings up some that I've already got so that I can pre-identify some of the characteristics I want in this group, pre-populates it, and go in and add some additional revisions by choosing to edit the details of here. I am looking at additional matches that I want to add. I'm going to choose to narrow it by adding deck building. Start with deck building. To use contractor, nothing there. Guess I could pergola, architecture, patio, gardening, and I'm going to go through and pick demographics, try to find the job title. Probably going to be a builder. The builder. And once I build enough of those, I will go ahead and update that demographic. Concerned that I'm not going to get leads, refine this over time. For the sake of our exercise, I'm just going to forward to our ad creative. I'm going to do a single image, and I'm going to add media, and I'm going to choose add a image. I'm going to see all the images that I've got. Deck builder here, and then I'm going to crop them according to the medium that it's going to, because I have just the Facebook selected. Done. And then from here, I'm going to come over to my docs, and I'm going to find deck and patio builders, and then I'm going to choose heading, copy it, and bring it over to the headline. I'm going to grab this body and copy that and paste that primary text. Make sure that either change call to action out so it doesn't seem like it's so formal. I'm going to just say jump into action. Done with that part. What I like to do is I like to do a combination of two of those, but I want to rewrite them. I'm going to use an AI tool that I've got here that allows me to create inline request. If I want to improve or heading for Facebook and include emoji. And then it's going to think about it for a minute and improve this. And I'm going to copy that. I'm going to take that and paste it down here where I can add an additional headline. And then I'm going to go back up to this body text. It looks like I missed an H. So I'm glad I'm proofing it here. I'm going to copy or do the same thing with this one. I'm using what's called Max AI. It allows me to use overlays. It's got a number of different AI assistants that I can use to help write, search, expand, all in line. I just clicked off the deal there, but it's copied it here. So I'll copy with formatting. And then I'm going to go down, create a description. And I've just copied that. So now I have two sets of information. I'm going to close that sidebar out. And then I am ready to make sure that I've got my form in place, which is here. And then I can go ahead and close this, and that should be it for week 5. There's my ad. And then I can come back to clear out my campaigns and ad sets. Just go to my campaigns. I see my new deck builders lead. I'll probably add Patio to that and expand that. Then you see all my ads and how they're tied to the different campaigns based on the demographics that I build for each of those leads. Hope it's helpful. It took me a little while to realize I had to build separate ideas around the demographics. If anybody has a better way to do that and would offer a suggestion, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.